Hi. Something I forgot on the first video was the more narrow build. This is the wide build of the workshop. I basically took that and I made it more narrow to sort of sanity check, especially the first floor. I didn't really push this too far. The second floor is still a disaster, to see what the workflows would look like in a 10 by 20 building instead of a 16-foot 8 by 12 building. And I don't think I love it. That's why I didn't push it too far, but I want to still entertain it at this stage. So we can see the space is super limited on the inside. I think it's like less than 8 feet across. Yeah, because it's 10 feet wide on the outside. And what it allowed me to do was fit in I don't know if I'd buy this or not from budget, but a wide belt sander, which I think would be really nice to not have to do so much sanding with all the upcoming projects. So that's what it allowed me, but it made things super cramped. I mean, even fitting it lengthwise with these things um, is a bit sketchy with how closely they fit together. This can go away. But mainly it's the width of the building that's a problem. There's not going to be much room to walk around. I don't have room for roll carts like the other one. This table would have to flip up and flip down. There's like very minimal to no plywood storage. I guess I would still be able to work with the track saw, but it wouldn't be as much space and the ability again like to make space because everything rolls around in the other one better. So I just want to consider it. If it's in one more large tool, they would all roll in and roll out, and um, you know there would be room. I guess I wouldn't really be able to stand to the side of the table saw. That's probably a bad idea. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to throw this out there too, that it is another option to uh, make it more narrow, or I can make it wider. I've played with it. Oh, the advantage here, another advantage on this long one is that I would be able to resaw or, you know, deal with fully dimensioned lumber, 8 feet long, and because it's over 16 feet, actually it's like almost 18 feet on the inside, so I'd be able to pass it all the way along the saw or the jointer or whatever without opening the doors and windows for working in the winter, which is a benefit, but I can live without that, I think, certainly given the costs, what I give up in workflow by having this layout. All right, that's it. Thank you.